A few weeks ago, you saw that we added a 2007 CRF70F to the family here, and a week later we added this one, a 2007 CRF70F. Has been added to what you could now call a small collection of two Honda mini bikes. This one is in very good condition as well. I picked this one up off of Craigslist for $1,000 cash in Mesa, and it runs excellent. Usually starts up on the first kick. It's the perfect size for my 11-year-old son, and it actually fits me pretty well, me being a smaller stature kind of guy, 5'7", 150 pounds. I can get out and ride around on this thing a little bit for fun. And so far, these two bikes, the 50 and the 70, are just a great combination for my boys. The 8-year-old fits perfectly on the 50, and the 11-year-old fits perfectly on this one. They are both lightweight, low maintenance. They are pretty much identical in terms of the way they're set up, with a front brake right there and a rear brake right there. And they both have a 3-speed foot shift. And so my 11-year-old rode for a week on the 50 and had it all figured out, and then hopped on this one and it fit him like a glove, and he already knew how to run it. So we're enjoying it, and we're happy to have it as a part of the fleet now and adding to the family fun. And you'll see lots of videos of this in the future. See if I can start it up for you. It has not been run today. Choke off. There we go. I just changed the oil on it, and I used Pro Honda HP4S full synthetic 1030 motor oil, motorcycle motor oil. So it's ready to run using premium gasoline, and it's just really friendly for the kids and runs fantastic. So far I'm very pleased.